Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, March 20th. Everything is good here. I hope you guys are doing well as well. And I have not a whole lot to share with you this week, but some good finds. And so let's jump right in. All right, so I had a $5 voucher for Michael's and I went there. I didn't really see much I wanted, but I found some clearance things and it turned out to be exactly $5. So all of these items did not cost me anything. First, I got these papers, and these were on clearance for 25 cents each. They are Recollections cardstock paper, 80-pound teal blue. They didn't have many colors on clearance, but I do love this color, and it's always nice to have a darker teal like this. Really nice and heavyweight. So like I said, these were 25 cents, so I got 3 of them. And then in the clearance aisle, they had these really cute little canvas tote bags, and they were $2 each. They used to be $5, so they have the handles, and you know, they're canvas. This one is like a canvasy linen color with the creamy white trim, and then I got this one too, which has the pink trim. So yeah, $5. It was $5.13, but after the voucher, it was nothing. So I'm not really sure how the 13 cents went away, but it did. So yeah, I just walked out of there without paying anything. Awesome, I thought. And Amazon, I got one thing. I needed refills for my paper trimmer. I have a Cricut paper trimmer. It's like $15. I think you could get it at Walmart, but the refills are very expensive. You can usually get a 2-pack of the Cricut refills for $10. I think it's $10 on Amazon. So I found these, and they seem to get very good reviews. They're by Like Art or Lick Art, and it has 6 of the blades and then 2 of the scoring blades. I never really used my paper trimmer for scoring, but it did come with those, so maybe I'll try it. And this was $14.99, so definitely cheaper or better value than the Cricut brand. And they look exactly like it, so I'm hoping they work okay. It gets expensive to keep replacing the blades with name brand items, so I figured, you know, I'll give it a try. The reviews were good, so I am hopeful. Okay, I got a few things from Temu. They had like, I don't know, you know, you get those emails for special deals, whatever. Usually it's $20 for free shipping, but I got this deal when there wasn't a minimum, so I just got a few things. I got this pack of, of nails, and this was $5.57 for 4 different colors. So let me show you what the colors are, and I'll link these down below too, in case you are interested. It comes with the little sticky things, sticky tabs. I don't use those. I use LA Colors Ultra Hold Nail Glue you can find at Walmart. So these are like the cat's eye finish, which I just love. So this one is kind of like a peachy color. And then this one is a really pretty like indigo blue. And then this one is like more of a nude color than the peachy one. And then this one is like a teal or aqua color. So I like this assortment. I'll wear all the colors. It's a medium length. And I do like when they're squared off like this. As you can see, I'm wearing, these were from Temu too. So, and I've had these on for 2 weeks now, and I'm probably gonna take them off soon, just so I can, you know, give my nails a break before I put more on. But yeah, good deal for, you know, way less than $2 each. So, and good quality as well. Let me see what I dropped. Okay, and I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, and I was looking for more clearance things. I didn't really see any, but I found some other goodies. I've seen a few of you guys haul this ribbon, and this was $2.49 in the sewing section. It's 40% off this week, all ribbon. So I love the pink with the strawberries, of course. Thank you all who got this and showed it. It's 3/8 inch ribbon by 5 yards, and it's like grosgrain ribbon. So yeah, got that. And then I got these Pusheen stickers. These are in like the kids sticker section. Only $1.99, and it comes with 6 different sheets. And I like that it doesn't have the holographic trim on them. I don't think any of them do, or not trim, but finish. I just like plain. I mean, they're glossy because they're stickers, but that's fine. I like to put stickers on packaging, on envelopes, so that's what I'll use these for. So these are all of the sheets that it comes with. I really don't like the sloth guy. And I have nothing against sloths, but I don't really like this one in the Pusheen comics or Pusheen world. Anyway, sorry, Mr. Sloth, you're just not my favorite. But I like everything else, and for $2 for 6 sheets, I thought that was a wonderful deal. Come on, oops, got you stuck. Okay, so I got that. And then I thought for these bags, I would do some iron-on sticker patches. So I got this one. This one, it says Paper Crafts, but it was over by the iron-on things. And I think this will fit on the pocket. Probably on this one, it would look better. Wouldn't that be cute? So of course it's Snoopy and Woodstock. This was $5. I don't think these ever go on sale. And then I also got this one too. This was only $3 for 4 of the cute little like crochet look flowers. And I thought if I didn't use Snoopy for this project, I would use these, maybe put like 2 on each. Isn't that cute? And maybe like an initial or something too. So I just thought this was a cute little project, cute little easy project. And then I saw Alyssa, who is Crafting to Cope. She showed these. Hi, Alyssa, if you're watching. These are new resin mix-ins, and they have a bunch of different ones. She showed some more on her channel. I'll try to remember to link Alyssa's video in the description, in the description box. But these are a nice size container. There's 3.78 ounces, which is 108 grams. And it was $8. They had, like I said, a lot of different varieties. This is the pink one. It's called Bows and Pearls. So as you can see, it's got pink little clay bows, white and white pearls. It's got little diamonds. What else? Some white circles, clay circles. So yeah, a ton of these, and I love the teal color. You could either have the pour or the shaker opening, but I think the pour one would be easier. So I got that one, and then I got this one as well. This is Pastel Stars, and it's got all these pretty color pastel stars, obviously, and then some looks like, I don't know, some sort of they look like flakes, kind of like holographic flakes, and then it has the little diamonds as well. It's got the teal blue sequins or gems and the little pink ones too. So just such a pretty mix. There's a strawberry one, which I have strawberry. I have this set. I think this mix was from Hobby Lobby too. It didn't come in this bottle. It came in a pouch, but that went on clearance in the other resin section, like by the jewelry stuff. But this was in the like resin with the molds, that section. And just the bottles are really pretty. So this one was a little bit cheaper. I think it's a little bit less. It's 100 grams instead of 108. So I guess that's why. So there's that. And then I got, I forgot to show you something else from Temu. I'll show you that right now. I got this ephemera, and it was $3.77 for 20 pieces, and it's all in a lemon theme. And it's just so cute. I opened it up already to take a look at it. It's actually stickers, not ephemera, but you could use it as ephemera. So it's these little mousies all in a lemon theme. And they also had a strawberry one, but I don't know. I was just pulled to the lemon one first. I might go back and get the strawberry. But it's just so cute and really good quality. It's a nice matte finish. Look how adorable these mice are. Cute mice like this, I am all good with. Regular mice, no. We back up to a woods. So, there are mice out there sometimes, and Gus will hunt them and bring them back to the door, which, he's very proud of and everything. And I'm glad that he can get rid of the creatures before they come into our house. But, they just give me the heebie-jeebies. There's that, but these cute ones I really like, right? I mean, that one's so sweet. There's the little girl with look at that. She's in a like hollowed out lemon rind with the lemon dress on. Looks like she's in a boat. orange juice or lemonade, I guess. Lemon pie. Oops, I don't know why I can't hold on to these. Where'd that go? Oh, here it is. Okay. And then this one. So yeah, I'll probably get the strawberry one next time. Again, I'll link these down below. Sorry, I forgot to show that when I was showing the nails. But anyway, back to Hobby Lobby. I got this for my sister. She's a big Snoopy fan. So these are Peanuts No-Show socks. This was $6.99. And you get, how many pairs is it? 5 pairs of socks. So it's all like pastel colors. There's Lucy with the football and Charlie Brown running to kick the football, Snoopy laughing, and then him missing the football, saying ugh, and then there he is falling. So it's pretty much just like a series of events of Charlie Brown trying to kick the football. So those are adorable. And then I got this for myself. This is a glass travel mug, and it was $5.99. This was in like a little kiosk in the kitchenware section. And it's really nice and sturdy. It's got this beautiful pink and green floral pattern on it. And I don't think I would use it in the car, but I was thinking sometimes I'll bring a cup of coffee or tea down to my craft room, and I'm kind of clumsy, so having a top on it will be really nice, and plus it'll keep it warmer for longer. So I got this for me, and then I got this one for my sister. She's a big purple fan. This has purple flowers on it. It's got the bows. They had some other patterns too, but these were my favorite. This was $5.99 as well. And I think that is it for my haul this week. Yes, that is it. So hope you enjoyed this little one. I thought I would have my scrapbook.com order. I ordered last week, but it's not supposed to arrive here till Saturday. So I will show that in next week's haul. And I'm sure I'll have some other goodies to share with you as well. Hope you are enjoying your week and you're looking forward to the weekend. Let's see, what am I doing this weekend? Probably putting together some more patio furniture. Seems like we've been doing that for a while, but everything's coming out looking nice. I will definitely show my deck once it's all ready in the spring. And yeah, so that's it for today. Please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you thought about this haul, what you're up to this weekend. And please like this video if you enjoyed it as well. Sorry Millie didn't make an appearance. I'm not sure where she is right now, but I'm sure she'll be back in a future video. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.